Hi guys, we are back again with the regular Sudoku Medium, the second one in today's newspaper on, Wednesday, November the 4th, 2020. The second regular Sudoku is a medium Sudoku. And this will be number 1841, and I always count the printed digits. This one I have already counted. There are 26 printed digits. If you compare with the Sudokus in the additional, then with 26, this will be a 2 stars Sudoku. Alright, let me position the camera. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, let me see. I'm scanning 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column between. The only place for the 7 should be there. 912, and 6. Yes, we have 4 missing numbers. Those 4 missing numbers are the 912 and the 6. 912 and the 6. And look, 912, and this box cannot be 9, cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, so 1 digit left should be the 6. So this box, 912 are left. I see here 2, so no 2 there, so the 2 could be here, could be there. So we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, a 2 in the last column, so the column between, the only place for the 2 should be there. In this big square, 7 missing numbers. 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in those 3 boxes. There are 3, no 3 in these 3 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Then we have also a 9. One of the missing number here is a 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 3 boxes. There are 9, no 9 in those 3 boxes. So the 9 goes together with the 3 as a pair. Let me mark them for you. Alright. So what are those 3 missing numbers? 573249. So the 8 is missing. We see an 8. We see there an 8. So no 8 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. The 1 and the 6 are missing. 1 and the 6. We see here 1. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 6 goes there. How about those 2 numbers left? The 4 and the 5 are missing. We see here 4. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number. Let me think. 6 is missing. Yes, 6 is missing. 1, 2, 9. Alright. 9 in this column. 9 in that column. So the middle column. The only 2 places for the 9 here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So in the last row, only place for the 8 should be there. How about those 3 missing numbers in this third row? 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. The 5 is missing and the 7 is missing. 4, 5, 7. 4, 5, 7. I see here 5 and a 7, so no 5 and a 7 in this box. The 5 and the 7 goes in these two boxes. Let me mark them. So one digit left should be the 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column, so the first column, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see here 4, we see there 4, so no 4s in those two boxes. One box left for the 4, should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, only place for the 4 should be there, and all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1, alright. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in one of those two boxes. In the third row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for the 5 could be here, could be there. So we have a 7 in one of those two boxes in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 7 could be here, could be there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the middle column, the only place for the 2 should be there. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 7. We see here 7, no 7 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. Then those 3 missing numbers are the 3, the 5, and the 6. 3, 5, 6. 3, 5, 6. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 3, 5, 6. So we have a 3 here. So this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3. And this should be a 9. 1 box left in this row for the number 9. 2 boxes left for the numbers 1 and 2. Let me mark them for you. Then 1, 2, 1, 2. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 2 and 1. 1 box left in this big square for the number 9. These 3 missing numbers, the 1, the 3, and the 6. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. I have marked those 2 boxes with a 7. We have a 7 now, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 7 could be here, could be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 8 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes here. 1 box left in this big square for the number 6. Those 3, 3, 5, 6, 3, 5, 6. And look, we have a 5 and a 6. So 1 digit left should be the 3. The 6 and the 5 goes there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column, the 7 and the 5. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. Now we have a 7 here, so this cannot be 7 anymore. This should be the 7, and this should be the 5. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3, let me mark them. Then 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then those 2 numbers, missing numbers here, the 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3. No, I cannot fill this yet. 1 and the 3. 3 in this third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 here, so this can be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be a 1. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So the last row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in the last row for the number 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 box left in this big square for the number 6. 1 box left in this row for the number 6. 1 number left in this big square for the number 2. 2 is missing. And now we have a 1 here. So this can't be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be a 2. 1 box left in the first column for the number 2. 2 is missing. Now we have a 2 here, so this can't be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2 and this should be a 1. 1 box left in this first row for the number 1. And the final 2 numbers of this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the 9 are missing. 6 and the 9. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 9 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you later with the third last regular Sudoku. It will be a killer Sudoku. So bye bye for now.